Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for changing your lane change from 3 clicks to 5 clicks using FORScan. And I've included links to the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it. I've already plugged my connector into the OBD2 port. The USB is connected into my laptop. Now it's time to go ahead and connect the vehicle. We're going to go into configuration and programming. On the left here, it's a little microchip. And we're going to go down to SCCM as built, which is the steering column control module. Right here. Go ahead, play. Okay. Now I'd recommend taking a screenshot of your existing settings here in case this does cause any issues for you. That way you can always revert back to your as-builts. There's several different options here for these values. 0 equals 1 blink, 4 equals 2 blinks, 6 equals 3 blinks, 8 equals 4 blinks, and A equals 5 blinks. We're looking for 724-01-01. So 724-0101, which is right here at the top. The second set of values here where it says 0600. If I wanted to change that to, let's just say, 5 blinks, then I would change that 6 to an A. And if I want less blinks, like 1 or 2, then I would change that to a 0 or a 4. Here, let's go ahead and change it to 2 blinks. So I'm going to change it to a 4. And then I'm going to hit right. And we're going to continue anyway. Locks program successful. Please cycle ignition off, then back on. Okay, so I'm going to test it out for a left-hand turn. So it's just a 2-click. It was at 3. And this is if you barely engage your turn signal and not totally engage it. So if I was going to do full engagement, obviously it's going to stay on until you turn it off, or you make your turn and it resets. But this is really for lane changes, especially on the highway or interstate. Okay, so once you're done here, you'll hit stop. It's fully. So you can go back to the main interface and disconnect from the vehicle here. So that's how you can change your turn signal assist from 3 clicks to 2 clicks, or if you want to increase your clicks, you can do that as well. Please smash down that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And don't forget, I've included links to all the products and tools I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.